Have you ever wanted to create these viral economics and finance documentaries, but every tutorial tells you to write long prompts, buy expensive AI tools, or use a powerful PC? Well, not anymore. Look at this 18-page master prompt that I've prepared especially for you. It already contains every minute detail required for creating these videos, so you don't have to search for prompts or write anything yourself. Now, take a look at this channel. You might have noticed that these economic-style documentaries are becoming extremely popular. This channel has gained over 26,000 subscribers with only 9 videos, and some of its videos have crossed 500,000 views in just 2 months. If we open the description, you can see that the creator started uploading on April 21st. By May 10th, the channel had already reached 1,000 subscribers, and by May 20th, it crossed 10,000 subscribers. That's an increase of 9,000 subscribers in only 10 days. Now let's check its monetization status. Simply copy the channel link, open any YouTube monetization checker website, paste the link, and here you can see that the channel is fully monetized. Here's another channel making the same type of content. It joined YouTube only in June 2026, and within just 1 month, it gained more than 42,000 subscribers with only 19 videos. So, how do you create these high-quality economics and finance documentaries? You'll find this master prompt in the video description. I've also uploaded it to our Telegram channel, so you can download it anytime from anywhere. Now, simply copy the entire master prompt. Since it's quite long, make sure you copy everything carefully. Next, open Claude AI. As you can see, I'm using the free plan. In fact, everything I'll show you in today's video is completely free, so anyone can follow along. Paste the master prompt into Claude and send it. Claude will ask you for a trigger word. This part is very important, because if you enter the wrong trigger word, the entire prompt won't work. The trigger word is Joseph69. Make sure you type Joseph in capital letters exactly as shown, followed by 69. If you enter anything else, the prompt will not work properly. Once you enter the correct trigger word, Claude will welcome you to the documentary workflow and ask for 2 things: the duration of your documentary and the language. For this tutorial, I'll simply choose a 1-minute documentary in English. Claude will now generate 5 documentary ideas similar to the channels we just saw. If you like one of them, continue with it. Otherwise, simply ask Claude to generate 5 more ideas. For this tutorial, I'll choose the economics of owning a car wash. Copy the topic and paste it back into the same chat. Claude will now generate a complete documentary script for your video. Once your script is ready, the next step is generating the voiceover. Simply copy the script and open 11 Labs. Now, I know many of you think 11 Labs is paid, but don't worry. I've already shared a method that lets you generate unlimited voiceovers for long videos completely free. I've linked that tutorial in the description so you can watch it later. For this demonstration, however, I'll use the official 11 Labs website. Go to text-to-speech, choose the model you prefer, paste your script here, and click Generate Speech. Once the voice is generated, simply download it to your device. Now let's go back to Claude. You'll notice that Claude asks, if you're happy with the documentary script, reply next to start visual generation. Simply type Next. Claude will now generate image prompts for every single scene automatically. Notice how it picks each narration line and creates a matching image prompt along with the recommended camera angle. When copying these prompts, only copy the image prompt and the camera angle. Don't copy the motion or editing notes, because we'll use those later during editing. Depending on the duration you selected, Claude may generate 40, 50, or even more scenes. For this 1-minute example, Claude has generated 25 scenes, and the storyboard is complete. Now we need these prompts separately. Simply ask Claude, provide me all these image prompts along with camera angles for each scene in a paragraph with scene number and 1 blank line gap between all of them. Claude will now return only the image prompts, making them much easier to use. Now open Google Flow, and Agent Mode is enabled. After confirming these settings, click Save. Now we'll generate all the images in bulk without using any browser extension. I've already provided a Google Flow automation prompt for this. Copy the image automation prompt. At the bottom, you'll find a section called Insert All Scene Prompts here. Paste the scene prompts generated by Claude into that section. You can paste 10, 20, 30, or even 50 prompts at once, but I recommend generating images in batches of 10 to keep everything running smoothly. I'll copy the first 10 scene prompts, paste them into Google Flow, and click Generate. Within a short time, all 10 images are generated successfully. Now repeat the same process until every scene image has been created. Once all your images are ready, simply download them to your device. Don't worry about downloading them in order, because the editor we're going to use automatically arranges them in the correct sequence. If you still want to verify the sequence manually, you can compare each downloaded image with its corresponding prompt. Now open VN Editor, create a new project, and import all your downloaded images. Simply add all the images to your timeline. Now let's animate them. Go back to Claude and look at the motion instructions under each scene. For scene 1, it says static hold, so we'll leave that image without any animation. For scene 2, it says slowly zoom in. Select the image until you see the yellow outline. Open Effects. Choose Zoom In. Make sure the effect covers the entire clip, and click OK. Repeat this exact process for every remaining scene until all your images have their motion effects. Once that's finished, it's time to add the voiceover. Import the voiceover you generated using 11 Labs. Now, we'll align every scene with its narration. For scene 1, the narration is, "You think a car wash makes money from dirty cars." Play the voiceover until that sentence finishes. Then trim the first image so it ends exactly there. Continue this same process for every remaining scene by matching each narration with its corresponding image. Once everything is perfectly aligned, simply export your project. And that's it. Your professional AI-generated economics documentary is now ready to upload to YouTube.
You think a car wash makes money from dirty cars? It doesn't. It makes money from the moment your car is already clean. Walk into most car washes today and you'll notice something strange. The wash itself is almost an afterthought. What you're really being sold is a monthly membership, tapped on a screen before you even see the water. That's the real business, not the wash, the subscription. Here's why that matters. A single wash might earn a few dollars, but a membership gets charged every month whether you show up or not. Some owners report that over half their members barely use the service at all. That's not a loophole. That's the business model. It's the same psychology gyms figured out decades ago. You pay to feel responsible, not necessarily to show up. Meanwhile, the water, the soap, the labor, those are just the cost of making the subscription believable. So the next time you tap your card at a car wash, you're not really paying to get clean. You're paying to keep paying.